crazy travelers, welcome to our channel Aerial Pixel. Today we are in Venice, the city of canals, the city of gondolas and the city of romance. So let's have a tour. And you can see this is Rialto Bridge here. This is most popular bridge in Venice, and you can see there in the early morning a fish market and so many exotic fish you will find here. Maybe you have never seen it before. And after that you can see some water taxis are here. You can buy tickets to roam around in the Venice and the islands surrounding Venice, like Murano, Burano and Altosso and so many. So we are going to have a tour in Burano Island today. So stay tuned with us and enjoy. This is one of the narrowest passage I have ever heard. Now I'll try to get in. Let's see. I hardly fit in there. You can see it.
When you come to Venice for more than a day, try not to book hotels in Venezia Island. It's better and cheaper to stay in the mainland. There are plenty of hotels near Marghera area, which is 15 minutes bus journey to the Venezia Island and will cost you around €2 one way. Transport you can get in Venezia Island is water taxi. To explore this island, you have to walk all the way through. If you are coming from the mainland, the bus or train will drop you at Santa Lucia station. From there, you can start exploring the island up to the Palazzo Ducale. It's around 45 minutes walk, which will cover major parts of this beautiful island. There is a saying, to know Venezia, you must get lost. Library Aqua Alta. Many people consider it the most beautiful bookstore in the world, even if it's a little strange. Around 100,000 new and old books are there in the store, but none of them are arranged neatly. Rather, they piled in boat, canoes, bathtub, and even on gondola. During a massive flood, many books got damaged by water. The owner, Quiggy, had a creative idea to turning those damaged books into a tourist attraction. Books are stored and displayed on gondolas, canoes, and bathtubs. Furthermore, books are even turned into furniture and architecture themselves. Old books that got ruined by high water or aqua alta have not been thrown away, but have been used instead to become steps of a book staircase that will give you a wonderful view over a canal. Real-size gondola, book stairs, cats, and customer are only part of the beauty of this place. Books play a huge role in this shop, while the first section entirely dedicated to books revolving all around Venice. The shops offer also hundreds of volumes in many other languages and a whole section for comics. Another interesting thing is this is a fire exit. Yes, it's a fire exit. It leads straight to the canal from where you can catch a ride. Whether you are a bookworm or not, this bookshop is indeed a well worth a visit while you are in Venice. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe our channel and leave a comment below about the video. See you soon. Take care. Bye.